good morning or good evening, whatever time it is for you. It's super, super early for me. It's not really much of a schedule around here, no matter how I try. Since the last time I saw you guys, I haven't done anything different as usual, so it's definitely a mess, which is perfect for what we're going to be reviewing today. As you can tell, I still haven't gotten my hair cut, and there's absolutely nothing I can do about that right now. I figured this is the best time to try what so far from researching seems like a dream come true. So I'm really hoping that everything I found out about this product is true. Before I get into all of that, I really wanted to take time to say a big we did it because we hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm just still in shock because it just happened recently. And so I've been really excited to get on here and tell you guys congrats. It just blows my mind. Like, that is just so many of you beautiful, beautiful souls that just have been so positive and just an absolute blessing in my life. And to just think that there's that many of you, it just blows my mind. So I just really, really want to take the time to tell you guys thank you. Like, just seriously, I'm still not quite processing, it yet. Like, you picture like a room full of people, like that is a lot of you. And you have just every single one of you is your stories and everything. You just are all so strong. You're all so kind. I mean, it just feels so good to know that there's people like you in the world. It really helps keep me going, It helps me stay positive, and I really appreciate that. So much love to all of you guys. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you subscribe and hang out with the rest of us and do a lot of hair therapy, hair color therapy, and just whatever to get through the week. So much love to you as well, and I hope you stick around. Let's get into the product because I'm really, really dying to try this. So this is like the TIGI bedhead brand, which I've reviewed other bedhead products, and I gravitated towards this one because it's the split end mender. And as I was online, I'm like, man, I need that right now because I'm really still trying like this challenge of keeping the integrity of my hair and seeing how long I can get my hair. Like, not in like a stressful way, but like I'm really trying to still do all the things I love with my hair, like bleach it and do vibrant colors. And I'm just really, really want that long hair, And it is a lot of work. And I've just been having fun challenging myself. So this is the split end mender, and it's a leave-in conditioner, but you can use it two ways. Oh gosh, the writing is so small. So, oh wow, it's like to use. So they say on here, as a split end mender, apply to ends after every wash. Every time you wash your hair, you put it on, your ends. Split end mender. But then they also say right after that, as a leave-in conditioner, smooth over flyaways as needed use on wet or dry hair. That means I can put on my dry hair right now to smooth away flyaways or whatever, take care of the butt frizz. Or you could just use it as a leave-in conditioner so when you have a shower, instead of just on your very end. So cool, we can use it more than one way, and it's perfect because my hair is dry. So I figure while I'm telling you guys a couple of the other cool things about it, and before I wash my hair, which I'm going to wash my head with their Bedhead Resurrection. I've reviewed this one. I've also reviewed another set of theirs, so I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below if you want to check those out. I've been enjoying it so far. Hidden gem from like my teenage years. I used to use their like pomade stick, and I had no idea that their products not only work this well, but we're still going so strong. Like, they have some cool stuff. So this one was their super repair conditioner for weak, brittle hair. And we're about to do even more damage than I already have on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my ends. And like I said before, I wash it, and then I'll wash it and use it the other way as well. All right, so first things first, I haven't personally tried this or smelled this, but it looks like somebody already did try it, which is probably my oldest son. So I'll have to ask him how he liked it. The smell is... I wish I wouldn't have read what they said it smelled like on their website first, because that kind of throws me off trying to guess what it smells like. They say it smells like fruit and berries. I could see that. Maybe if I don't smell it straight out of the tube. It's not like super fruity though. I got this one off Amazon. It was the best price I honestly could find out of all the other places. There's like Walmart and their website. So for me, it was $16.39. I have Amazon Prime. That's where I got mine. It's 8 ounces. Honestly, the reviews on here were just really, really good. So I'm going to start with one pump. Ooh. Oh, wow. It's just like a really nice light. It's like not super thick or anything. And I'm just going to put it like on just the ends of my hair dry because they are so bad. I wouldn't say like fruit and berries. It just smells really clean. I already kind of feel it's drying onto my hair. And I guess I should have showed you guys the back as well. So let me just do that for you. So remember when the last time you guys saw the back of my hair was? It's just been a week. One heck of a week. And I haven't done anything to my hair. And so it's pretty bad. So I'm going to do another pump. About that much. Because some of the things that people did say, and they even said on their website, was a little goes a long way. So start low and work your way kind of up. Anyways, so the reviews were great. It was like over 4.5 stars. The reviews were all great. I rarely saw a bad review. A lot of people are saying it detangles and it doesn't get greasy or heavy. I'm going to use this to kind of comb my hair out a little bit before I get in the shower anyways. What excited was people said they saw like a real change in their hair. Like it saved people's hair. There's people saying they've been using this product for over 6 years. Like the reviews are awesome. Like one person even said that they've been using it even longer than that, maybe 20 years, 30 years. But there's people saying it saved their hair and it's saying there's no residue and it brings out their curls really great. And they said their other favorite thing is that wetting your hair just like reactivates it. Let me see if I can get my chair up a little higher. My hair is getting too long. And they said that they love it too because water like reactivates it. So right now I put it on my dry hair. Honestly, I can already tell, yeah, there's a change. And they're right. It's not like too heavy. My hair was really, really bad right before this. Like this is a great example. I didn't use too crazy much because as you guys know, my hair is super thick. So, and yeah, I'm going to have definitely some shedding. I've just had it up in ponytails, just sweating my butt off and staying up all night with my 2-year-old and her sleep regressions. So I have not been kind to my hair. And we're going to be bleaching it. And I really want to keep my length. So wow, I don't know about you guys, but I'm noticing something here. A big change already to me. It's not feeling super heavy. I like that I have some volume here. Honestly, yeah, see, what do you guys think? It's supposed to be split end mender and I should have came up with the ends first. Sorry about that. Okay. So there's my ends. They're not pretty. They are not pretty at all. This will be a good reference for later anyways, after I wash it and everything. I do feel like it gave my hair enough of something where I could at least go out compared to what it was a minute ago. I don't think it's too bad. It doesn't really feel like I put anything in my hair. It already dried. And it's really just a light, clean scent. I wouldn't say like it's fruity by any means. I guess a slight... Oh God, I'm going to get dizzy from inhaling it. I guess a slight bit. The website says that it repairs damaged hair and split ends, and it protects from damage, and it smooths frizzy hair. I'm going to have to go ahead and believe the Bedhead company because they're saying that this helps repair wrecked hair, and so many people on the comments are saying that it saved their wrecked hair. Over time, using it and make it able for her to have her hair super long like I've been talking about and have way, 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 way less breakage. She said she barely has any breakage now when she goes in for her appointments. And so it sounds like it's a long-term thing that actually works. I'm really grateful to all those people that leave those reviews on there because, I mean, it takes a while using a product to get to know that the results work and to have there be multiple people. You know? So yeah, so I'm hoping that if I keep using this over time as well, we will also see some pretty cool results. And, you know, we bleach my hair once a month in my roots and change my hair color. So today's review... Tell me what you guys think about on the dry. I'm going to wash my hair so we can see what it's like as a leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm most excited about. And also over time, I will catch you guys up and I'll let you know how it's going long-term. Or you'll be able to see because if you follow and you're subscribed and you keep checking out what we're doing with my hair, then we'll really be able to see how it helps. There was one very important thing I wanted to point out. I don't have exactly the word of it, so I'm going to put it right here. But basically another exciting ingredient that they really made clear on their website right here is that it has like a keratin in it, which was even more exciting. So the price was decent. It's 8 ounces, and you saw how little I used. So I go wash my hair, and then I'll see you guys as I put it in while my hair is wet, like it recommends. And then I will see you when my hair is dry. And then I'll get to post this and see how you guys are all doing. So much love, and I'll see you guys in a second. You can probably still hear the shower. Now you guys know I have a swimsuit top on. Using my little t-shirt towel that I got off Amazon. I'm a little winded. So, good news. We were recording at just the right time. Oldest son did try this last night, I guess. And he said he really, really liked it. And if you guys know, if you follow me, he has really curly hair. He doesn't do anything damaging to it. And he's really trying to embrace his curls. And he really, really liked this. And the fly. Oh, gosh. Anyways. He liked it a lot. That was the point. The fly interrupted my train of thought. So, that's great news. That makes me happy because, like, he's really serious about his hair. So if he likes it, they specify on the website that it stays on your hair and can be reactivated when it's wet until your next wash. And it protects it throughout that till that next wash. And it's really to help you get your hair through into that next salon visit. I'm just like digging everything about this. Like, you guys know how picky I am. This is something I'll probably keep rebuying because I'm trying to grow out my hair and just all the signs are pointing to yes and all the reviews are pointing to yes. On that note, I'm trying to do all the right things. So I tried to leave my hair really wet so that there's like a lot of moisture to help kind of keep it in because you guys can see I kind of got wavy. Oh, it's wet. And here's my ends. Oh, me and this door, this fly are just all friends today. Ugh. I'm going to do 2 pumps. I love how it's just smooth. I want to make sure I really focus on my ends here. The website says to start with 1 pump and kind of figure out, you know, your mojo with it, so to speak, like what works for you. And online they said that, you know, that it took them a second, and once they got their kind of favorite, how much they use when they get a shower, it shined even more for them. I'm going to start by just really focusing on my ends. I have a lot of moisture in my hair. I'll probably, hair plopping. I'll probably put it back in this hair towel to let it kind of dry that way instead of air dry. Try and keep even more of this moisture in. And just let it kind of, oh my gosh, just let it kind of do its thing for maybe half an hour, and then I'll probably let it air dry. Sorry. I got a horrible sense of humor. All right, so I'll see you guys. I'll either see you guys when it's completely dry, or if I add any more in, I'll see you then. But otherwise, I'll see you in a second. Halfway through drying, and I really had to hop on here and show you guys this already. So it's actually really hot outside. So what I do when I'm drying it this way, and I'll show you guys the back too, is I'll have to kind of split off my hair because it just is so thick. And it just stays so wet in here. So I'll just kind of put this up. I'm already really impressed. So I really wanted you guys to kind of see the halfway mark. It's really bringing out all my waves. And I know on camera this probably might look really damaged to you. I get really textured haircuts on top of my hair being really wavy. And I am in mid-drying. If this looks distressing to you, I promise it feels better than it looks. I don't know if it's just me in my head that's thinking that it doesn't look as nice, but to be honest, my hair is always kind of in a weird limbo while it's drying. I could already tell that my ends were in better health than they were. They're lighter, they're fluffier, they're softer in the sun. I could just visibly see that they were better. I know it's not fixing them. All this is doing is just helping it along. And over time, it should help strengthen your hair. But it is pretty much a Band-Aid if you think about it that way. I can't get over how pretty it's making my waves and everything. But I did want to just put a tiny bit more in. Just like 1 more pump. It's just like, it's so smooth every time I do that. Just to kind of take away this little bit of frizz because it is warm outside. And it's causing just a little extra frizz. And like I said, my hair is still damp. I'd say you can just re-wet it to kind of refreshen your style. But I can just tell I just needed a wee bit more while she's finishing drying. Because it just had a little bit too much frizz there. And it is just, I wish you guys could feel how wet it still is. Look at my waves back there. So yeah, so it looks a lot more tragic because we're halfway through drying, but I got on here to tell you guys how much I love it right now. So And I'm also putting a little bit more in. So yeah, I love this stuff already. I'm sure when it's all the way dry, I'm going to be even more in love with it. But I mean, the fact that I came all the way in here to show you guys this says a lot, right? So I'll see you guys when it's all the way dry, but it's looking really good so far. Okay, guys. It's got a lot of volume. It is so soft. I used to have to like blow dry my hair upside down and rat tail comb it to give it this much volume. So my hair is enjoying it. I don't know how it looks to you guys. In about 24 more hours or so, my hair will usually get a lot straighter than this. So I'm really curious between now and the next video how this is going to be, because I really want to try out how it says in between washes. It's going to keep that going. You add a little water, etc. And you know me, I upload every few days. So sometimes twice a week, and I usually upload a video for you. I usually upload a video for you guys at least twice a week. I do my best. You guys know I have health problems, so I do what I we will see you guys very soon. And plus, we have like so much stuff to do. We have to bleach my roots, and we have to bleach my hair. Oh my gosh, like I don't know. There's just like we got a lot going on. I'm still trying to get in for my haircut, but I think this is great. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is so soft, and it is just. I'm in love with it, honestly. And like I said, it's really just accentuating my wave. I used hot water again today because I'm really trying to, naturally fade some of this color. But yeah, and then my ends, I believe they look better. I know my hair is kind of poofy, but I like it like that. It's just got that volume in there. It's nice and soft. It's not all like dragged down or heavy. But I do think that my ends look better. Of course, it's only the first time using it. I think it is really going to help kind of save my hair until I can go get these ends cut finally. And with my bleaching and everything, I just wanted to give it that little extra chance. So let's check out the back so that I can upload this for you guys. It's just really, I think it looks great. Light and fluffy. It's so big. Oh my gosh. Big dreams, big hair. But no, anyways, so I hope that you guys like this. Let me know if you guys have ever used this before. I'm really excited to keep using it and see how it goes. And like I said in the next video, which will be very, very soon, within the next few days, see how this, kept up while we're at it in that video. I'll check in with you guys. I'm also thinking about doing a live video this Thursday. So if you're interested, go ahead and comment below. Comment no matter what. How you guys doing? Anyways, like I hope you've already said, hey, what's up by this time. I hope that you subscribe so you can make sure you don't miss all the fun stuff that we're going to be doing this month, because we change it every month and I'm really excited for this month. So before I go, I just wanted to compare pictures of the ends. And obviously, here's the before. So I mean, not bad, right? You guys know I always have a hard time saying goodbye, so much love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again. Have a beautiful day.